Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you modern home library and bookshelf design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. So in this video you will see top 100 plus fantastic home library and bookshelf design idea to capture your imagination. There are a million home library ideas out there, and that can make designing your dream home library both exciting and challenging. People who want a library in their home tend to love their books and want to read them in a perfect atmosphere. That means creating a home library can be a very personal thing. To make the planning stages a little easier, there are a few things you should consider before you begin. These home library ideas are sure to give you a starting point for your home library designs. Remember to consider your budget and the space available when you look at these images, and try to think of how you can make your favorite elements work for you. And building a home library does not have to be difficult or expensive and should enhance the time you spend in your home. It's also important to note that you don't need a ton of space to create a functional library. Carving out a little free wall space or a corner of your room is all you need to create a home library that you can enjoy for years to come. A standout way to show off your books with pride: dedicate an entire wall to them. This library comes fully stocked with wall-to-wall shelves filled with the books. With one whole wall dedicated to reading, this sitting room instantly transforms into a true library. If you are lucky enough to have built-in shelving, get creative with the way you display your books. Break things up with stylish bookends, frame photos, and decor of varying heights to add dimension. Small touches can make your bookshelves look more personalized and special. For a minimalist look, display books with atoms of similar color to keep things neutral while adding visual interest to your library. Wide bookshelves that run floor to ceiling will make your home library appear taller than it actually is. These bookshelves will make any library feel roomier and more open. Cozy Corner Reading Nook Home Library. This cozy little library is perfect for any corner of your home. This design even utilizes the small space between a bookshelf and the wall by the window to create storage in this cozy reading nook. This library contains a beautiful mix of furnishings and decor. Reading nooks. When creating a cozy and cool reading nook under the stair, first of all, install enough lamps and light because reading requires light. If there is a window, it's even better. You will get enough light even without many lamps. Second, place bookshelves and bookcases. These can be built-in or separate ones. You may take the whole wall up and down the stair to accommodate books. Add some chair or sofa, or go for built-in seat and benches, but they should be planned beforehand. Otherwise, building them in may be tricky. Understair space is a great corner of your home, which is often not used while you can make a lot of nooks there, a powder room, a laundry, a home office, or a play space for kids, or even you can make a home library there. Many of us have a lot of books at home and sometimes there is literally no space to space them. Under the stair nooks are ideal to use bookshelves and whole bookcases, plus you may also build in seating nook there. Using understair space for storing books is very comfy and practical. It's a great way to save a lot of space. First thing that you should consider is that the style of the space around and make the bookshelves or bookcases in that style. The most popular way is attaching some airy shelves under the stair. This is another beautiful home library design that incorporates a library ladder. This is often the last thing most people consider when planning a library, but it is very important how accessible in your space. Will you need a ladder or a step ladder to reach the top shelf? If so, plan to purchase and store one in your library or incorporate it into your home library design. Home libraries come in different design and style depending on what people want. Some people like to store their book collection in open shelves constructed on the wall, while others may like to showcase these priceless things on creative and rustic cabinets or furniture that can serve the dual purpose of storing books as well as for seating. A home library is supposed to be a place that offers a relaxing time to readers that would like to enjoy their reading time without getting disturbed. I hope this video will help you to choose the best home library design ideas for your home. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos, and thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.